This is the San Dimas skate park located at Pioneer Park in San Dimas. It's super bright out, so I'm squinting. This is actually the first skate park I ever went to. It was built way back in 1999, so 27 years ago. And from what I've gathered, it seems to be everybody's least favorite skate park. And I can't really understand why, because I love this park. I'm gonna do a little bit of skating. I'll highlight some of the features, I guess, talk about what it has, talk about what it doesn't have, and hopefully give you some appreciation for it. My favorite part about the skate park is this little mini bowl. Super fun. It also has this really cool bank, kind of like a street spot. Noe, wax the bank. Keep going. Thank you. Another unique feature of this park is this really interesting vert extension. Go, baby, go! Woo! Yeah! Spine, just like all 90s skate parks have. And then there's this like steep ditch section. I think this is where everyone kind of complains about this park, or the steep banks without any kind of transition at the bottom, but I think they're fun. And then we have a 2-foot tall ledge that is as tall as a toddler, as you can see. This thing doesn't really get skated too much. I think BMXers hit this more than anything. Oh, I can do it. Next try. Gross. I've been to the West LA courthouse. I've skated off the stage. I've never grinded it or slid it, but that's about as high. I mean, that's pretty tall. Steep roll in. Classic fun box, car box, whatever we call those things.
It got all wick whack.
Huh?
It got all wick whack.
That's okay. Pretty cool, like late 90s X Games style features. Steep pyramids, 2 tall rails for a skate park in my opinion, and a decent bump to ledge. This park also has this really cool Euro gap, but I don't think I have the juice in my legs for it today. The run up is kind of quick and takes a lot of energy, but I want to do a board slide on this thing. We'll see. Old guy style. I could spend a lot more time here, but I have my wife and my son with me, so time is limited. Overall, the skate park has a lot of flow. The concrete in some areas is a little weathered, but overall it's smooth. There wasn't anything like crazy, stupidly wrong with the park. I mean, there's no flat bar, there's no flat ledge, no manual pad, no stair sets, but it's a really good park to pump, carve, grind, and just have fun going fast. Last thing I'll say is I feel like a lot of people go to skate parks, good or bad, and a lot of times they don't really know how to skate a park in general. What I mean by that is I always think that you should carve around, do some 5-0s, some 50-50s, some rock and rolls, rock to fakies. Don't try to kickflip or crooked grind or jump down the stair set right away. Just get to know the park. Just carve around, find the lines, find the speed, and you may find that you enjoy it a lot more than you initially would have thought. Noe, what do you think of Dimas Skatepark? He likes it. I've probably filmed myself do this trick 100 times, but it's my favorite thing to do, and it's my favorite obstacle at this park, so here we go. There's not a lot of skate parks that have a bank to wall obstacle like this. Dimas Park does. Hi, baby.